Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my first ever Louis Vuitton unboxing with you guys. I don't have any Louis Vuitton bags or purses or anything like that. I actually am a big fan of Michael Kors. Like I have a Michael Kors crossbody, a purse. I have another Michael Kors wallet. But this is my first ever Louis Vuitton bag. I don't know. I've been wanting one for the longest time, but I haven't been able to kind of like get myself to purchase one just because they're a little pricey. But today is Christmas Eve and my Christmas present is here. I just got this little box here a few hours ago and I have resisted in opening it. This is a Christmas gift from my husband, which I'm again super excited for. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys my first ever Louis Vuitton unboxing with you guys. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. So this wallet here was gifted to me by my husband. He asked me what I wanted for Christmas and I was like, I don't really want anything, but there is this little thing I do want. So I was able to pick it out. I did pick it out and I sent him the link of what I wanted. I do want to do a disclaimer. I'm not trying to show off or anything like that. I just thought it would be cool to unbox my first ever Louis Vuitton on camera, just because when I was looking for reviews, I was looking for reviews on this specific wallet here. So I did pick out the Emilie wallet, which is in the Damier Ebene print. It kept going in and out of stock and he was able to hunt it down, and it's Christmas Eve and I am able to do this unboxing. So again, I haven't opened it, so I'm like literally opening this on camera with you guys. So ooh. So it says Louis Vuitton when you open it up. And then you open up the box and it comes in here. How beautiful. Jeez, it's like ready to go. So this, I believe, has a little envelope here. I wonder if my husband wrote anything in it. So it's kind of like a little card holder. Oh, it doesn't say anything. I thought it would have been like, for my love, love you, enjoy, or something. There's nothing in here. It's like ready to go to be gifted. How cute is that? And then we do have the receipt. We don't have a Louis Vuitton anywhere around here. I think the closest one's in Las Vegas, and that's 6 hours away. So we did order it online, or my husband ordered it online. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So it comes in a protector bag here. I do not know what it's called. Like, this is too fancy for me. So here it is. Ooh, this is super pretty. I wanted the red interior just because red is my favorite color. And then I'm not a super big fan of pink, and that's like the only one that was in stock. Like what makes me think of Louis Vuitton is red, like red bottoms, you know? So I wanted a Louis Vuitton that had red inside, which is, I don't even know what to say right now. Like I can't believe I got this in my hands. Like I never thought I would buy or even be gifted a Louis Vuitton product. But here's what it looks like close up. I did want this print more than the LV monogram just because I feel like that one's more like a look at me item, and I like more a little subtle, you know, like I have an LV, but it's not like a look at me, you know. I don't know if you guys know what I'm trying to say, but I am going to open it up. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot that he had hot stamped mine too. So mine's hot stamped. It has my initials for MC, and then it looks like mine is made in France. I'm like, I can't believe I have this, to be honest. Like, it's crazy. So it does have like 4 card holders here, and then it has this zipper right here as well, which you're able to put coins, anything like that, or more cards. And then you also get another slot here to put more items. You get the main slot, and then this is another slot you can put items in, which I'm super excited for. This is super cute. Like, I'm excited. Super cute. So I'm going to transfer all of my products from my previous wallet into my new wallet because I'm definitely going to be using this more than the other one. When I was watching reviews on this, people were doing unboxings like empty, and it wasn't catching my eye until I saw another review when they had actually like had it all filled up. So let me go ahead and fill mine up, or transfer all of this wallet onto this one, and then I'll show you guys how it's all looking like inside. So I did want to show you guys my old wallet. It is a zip closure, and inside all you have is like the card slots right here, and then you just got this one spot, which technically this is for an iPhone. I don't remember which one, but that's where I had all of my other credit cards and money and stuff, and it's just a zip up wallet. But here is the new purse right here. I'm so excited. All of my cards and my money in here now. So here is what it looks like. This one has a button closure, so I put my cards in the front, my license, debit card, and then my 2 credit cards that I use often. I did put like a gift card I have in this one, and then a check that I need to cash in this slot right here. And then in the middle section, I just put some cash I had, and then the other credit cards, and then I actually don't have anything in here. But in this one with the little zipper closure, I did put some change. I have more like right here, but I didn't want it to get super fat. I don't know, I just want it to stay nice and skinny. I don't want to like mess it up right now. So super excited. Like I never thought I would have an LV wallet nor purse. Like I've always wanted one, but I always thought they were like really expensive, which they are, but I feel like if you work hard, like why not spoil yourself sometimes, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!